Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my spring cleaning and decluttering, so I hope you guys are ready for it. We're going to start off in this cabinet here, and I had mentioned in my last video that I filmed this before I did my whole spring and Easter decorating, which is why you still see the TV there. But either way, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So I already took everything out and wiped down all the shelves. I did clean off the very top one. I just put those jars there because they normally stay there. And this is pretty much everything that I had up there. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to organize it. I'm thinking I'm going to do the very first one with all of my kids' things, like pretty much anything that's not breakable. My daughter always jumps on the countertop to reach her little plates that I used to have up there, which I don't know why I had them up there to begin with. So I think this would work out better, and then I'll just put the rest of the stuff in the other 2 shelves there. I got this riser thing from Target years ago, and I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. That way I can put things up here and then under here as well.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care.
This is breakable, but it's my daughter's and she loves to use it, so I'm gonna just leave it here for her as well. So I'm also gonna be putting my son's bottles there as well. Yes, he's still on the bottle. He's 4 years old, about to be 5, but he does not eat at all. He gags whenever I try and give him anything that's solid. The only thing that he eats are like purees and then his special milk that the nutritionist provided for him. It's kind of like Pediasure. It's just a different brand because the Pediasure didn't sit well with his stomach. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up here.
About the others.
I think that's fine for now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this little shelf here. I'm gonna try to color coordinate the dishes, but honestly I have a lot of mismatching ones. So I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we're gonna give it a try. So I know my dishes are like all mismatching, but doesn't this look better than what it did before? I don't know. I think it looks better. But we're going to go ahead and move on to my sink. And yes, you guys can go ahead and judge me all you want. I'm judging myself if I'm being honest with you. This cabinet here under the sink is kind of like the junk drawer. It never stays organized. I don't know why. I try and organize it every couple of months, but it still looks like this. I don't know why. So we're just going to go ahead and clean everything out and just start decluttering the stuff that I don't need. And I know what you guys are thinking, girl, enough with the wallpaper. I'm sorry, I still had some left over. You know, I'm trying to get my money's worth here. And honestly, I didn't have anything else. And the wood on the bottom of this is really ugly. So I was just trying to cover it, make it look decent. Eventually, I'll change it. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. This little green thing here that I'm about to put my sponges in is from IKEA. I got it years ago. I'm not even sure if it's available, but I just figured I would use it to put my sponges there. And now that I'm done decluttering, I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing everything that I'm gonna be using under the sink. These little trays here, baskets, are from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for a while now and I love them because they have that little handle. I will say, if you put anything super heavy, it won't hold up, it'll break. So if you do plan on putting anything heavy on there, I would, recommend doubling up. But pretty much everything that I have or that I'm using here underneath my sink, I've already had for a couple of years. So if I can link anything, I'll make sure to do it.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
So now that we're done organizing this cabinet, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the cabinets next to my stove. Those I have pretty organized because I tend to declutter and organize them like on a weekly basis. Since I cook pretty much every single day. So this is what I have here. Like I mentioned before, these little baskets are from the Dollar Tree and I love them. And I don't know, they're just very convenient. They fit perfectly here. So for this shelf here, I need one more basket from the Dollar Tree. So that's why it kind of looks unorganized there. But let's go ahead and move on to the bottom two cabinets. Here I just have like paper plates, and then in that basket there, that's where I keep my potatoes. And then in the cabinet next to it, I have my toaster and then like my coffee syrups. I don't know if you guys remember, I used to have my Nespresso machine, but I ended up moving it out. And then I added these little hooks here on the side to put the measuring spoons. And these little sliding drawers here are awesome. I will link them for you. They just make it so easy to grab like the spices and everything. I don't have to be like digging through it to find something. Moving on over to the living room. I actually didn't film very much of it for you guys. We just like pulled the sofa to the front and this was everything that was under there. I know it's disgusting. But I didn't film much because my husband was the one that did all the work. I was in charge of taking care of the kids.
Stepping on toes with these humble and everlasting egos.
So finally, moving on over to the fun part, I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I've purchased. The other day I went into Target and I found this lamp and I immediately fell in love with it. I love the wood base, and then the lampshade, I think it's just so pretty. And I also did some shopping at Zara Home, which I've never bought anything from them before, but I really fell in love with these plates here. I will say I feel it's a little bit expensive. I don't know if I'll be shopping there again, but I will say I'm in love with the things that I did purchase. And apparently I have a thing for lamps right now. I found this beautiful lamp at TJ Maxx and I could not help myself. I'm obsessed with the lampshade and then something about the wood base. I don't know what it is about that. I'm obsessed. I also purchased some stems from A Floral, which you'll see in a bit. But that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will talk to you guys all in the next video, God willing. Bye.